Hello everyone. Today I am going to show the best electric scooters for 2022. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers, so whether it's price, performance, or particular use, we've got you covered. For more information, I have put links of products in the description and like the video, comment, don't forget to subscribe, and let's get started. Number 5. Segway miniPRO, Smart Self-Balancing Personal Transporter with Mobile App Control. The ES1 KickScooter is Segway's latest venture in the realm of electric scooters, putting cutting-edge technology into the classic scooter design. Weighing in at less than 25 pounds, the ES1 is one of the lightest e-scooters on the market. This electric scooter was made for urban transportation. It reaches top speeds of 12 miles per hour. Number 4. Ninebot KickScooter ES1, Segway Mini Electric Kick Scooter for kids and adults. Foot pads can easily be cleaned in order to look as new as possible. Anti-braking system, cruise control, and front shock absorption. Tall riders welcome an adult scooter more than just a name. Height adjustable to comfortably handle riders up to 6 feet 5 inches tall. True fold-and-go design used a folding quick-release trigger by the handlebars to easily fold the kick scooter for extra portability. Sturdy, oversized front wheels, smooth and stable riding, even on uneven city pavement, thanks to extra-large 250mm front PU wheel. Most kick scooters pretend that they're built for teens and adults. Number 3. Citigo Urban Scooter, Electric Code Lock and Cable Lock. This commuting electric scooter comes with an electric code lock and cable lock. We have double protection as follows. Electric code lock. Lock the digital display and no one can power it on if he does not know the password. Cable lock. No one can take it away without the password. Double anti-theft can protect the safety of your scooter. 25 miles long range and 10-inch pneumatic tires, with an estimated range of 25 miles, under optimum conditions on the flat road, making it the best commuting electric scooter for those who have long rides. Riding a scooter instead of driving a car, which can save on gas and no more pollution. It is 10-inch. Pneumatic tires can bring you an excellent riding experience. 350W powerful electric scooter, equipped with a powerful 350-watt motor and 6.7-inch wide deck. The Gotrax G4 electric scooter was powerful enough to move easily. Number 2. Glion electric scooter, foldable lightweight adult electric scooter with Glion battery. Traffic jams in your car and no more sweating through your suit on a bike. Instead, coast through the city on the most portable, reliable, and energy-efficient last-mile solution developed. No more traffic jams in your car and no more sweating through your suit on a bike. Instead, coast through the city on the most portable, reliable, and energy-efficient last-mile solution developed, with a top speed of 15 miles per hour and a range of 15 miles per charge. Glion Dolly electric scooter is a durable and practical tool to cut your commuting time and effort. Perfect for running errands, sightseeing, and just getting around your neighborhood. Number 1. AKTIVO Scoot electric scooter, and blue LEDs on the deck that light up each time you twist the throttle. Thrill and power combined for a scootin' good time on the Razor E100 electric scooter. Whether you are taking a quick whip around the block or a trip to the neighborhood park, this scooter gets you there in style. With a high torque, 24-volt, chain-driven motor, you will enjoy traveling at fun speeds up to 10 miles per hour. It has a twist grip throttle acceleration control and hand-operated rear brake.